Hi guys, in this video I want to talk a little bit about, or a lot of bit about actually, what our initial in-home consultation looks like and sort of what the industry's initial in-home consultation looks like. And I want to compare ours versus the industry norm. I'm going to start with the industry norm. The industry norm is you call, you say, hey, can you come out, take a look? I want to remodel whatever space it is. We'll just use a kitchen in this video. I want to remodel my kitchen. And you're going to talk to what is generally speaking a designer or a salesperson. And that designer is going to say, cool, I'll be out there in a month. And I hate to bag on our industry. That's probably not the best approach, but that's for a lot of people the standard experience. Designer eventually comes out. They're going to spend some time. They show up with their little yellow notepad. They take a few notes. 3 weeks from then, you might see a kitchen design. Well, what didn't happen in most scenarios is the person doing the labor didn't come with them. So whatever labor quote you might see when you go to the first presentation to look at your kitchen, any labor number they give you isn't accurate because the person swinging the hammer hasn't been there. So that's how most of it works. I don't know all of them, many, because we hear this feedback. I want to tell you a little bit about how our initial in-home consultation works. Right? So you're going to call us. We're usually out there less than 7 days, usually about 5. When we show up, we have our install manager who does all of our labor pricing. He's there. And the designer is there. And the designer is obviously there for design and function. Each one of them has what is a proprietary booklet that we've made. So the install manager has a booklet. He can ask a ton of questions about labor. He's got a whole booklet he's going to work through. He's counting outlets and lighting, and he's going to the basement, and he's looking at electrical, and he's looking at ability to get access to the floor. All the things you say you want and need, he's going to go do his research while he's there on the first visit. So what happens is when you show up to the first presentation to look at your kitchen, you have what is a real labor quote. That's a deliverable labor quote that you could sign that proposal on that day and you know it is good and we will honor that. The other thing you get is designer. So when the designer is there as well, they have their own booklet and we work through questions about aesthetic, design, functionality. And we've developed this booklet to make sure we show you a kitchen at the first presentation that you like, that you wanted, that you're like excited about, because that's what should happen when you buy a kitchen, right? When you remodel your kitchen, you should be excited about it. That's sort of how the industry does it as a norm and how we do it. And I just want to tell you there's an enormous amount of value in our initial in-home consultation. It sets you on the right path. It gives you a good design. You understand the labor. Anyhow, I hope this is helpful. If you got any questions, give us a call. Thanks.